Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I have a new recipe. I'm dying to try it. It's from PS Seasonings. We're loving them so far. Smoked Dr. Pepper cherry bomb pork country style ribs outside on the world's smallest patio using our favorite, the pit barrel cooker. I think this recipe is going to be really, really good. So months back, PS Seasonings reached out to us. They saw our Instagram, they saw our YouTube channel. They were like, hey, can we send you some seasonings? Try it, see what you think. If you like it, let's work on doing a collaboration. We want to give stuff away to some of your subscribers. And I'm like, okay, perfect. They sent us stuff. Babe and I have been trying a ton of their products and they're really, really good. Made in the USA, most of them are gluten-free, really, really high quality products. The packaging comes from PS Seasonings, really nice. Like everything has been like upper top quality, really, really good with them. So we're excited to do this giveaway. Oh, did I tell you? We're gonna do a giveaway on this video, but you gotta stay tuned to the end a little bit and then we'll tell you how to enter. So, like I said, we're going to be using PS Seasonings, their rub. We're gonna be using their barbecue sauce, a little bit of Dr. Pepper, and we're gonna be outside making these. So let's just jump into the ingredients right now. Then I'll take you outside. I'll show you how we set up our pit barrel cooker, and then we'll get these ribs on the cooker. And it's not gonna be that long of a cook, I don't think, couple hours, and we are going to be grubbing down. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, babe? Babe's ready. All right, and here we go. Okay, let me talk about today's ingredients. We got some pork shoulder country style ribs, value pack. Look at this, 4.5 pounds, and I paid $8.88. I don't understand how the sales are so good sometimes, but meat prices are so high. Obviously, we got the star of the show, the notorious P.I.G rub. We're gonna be using that cherry bomb barbecue sauce from PS Seasonings. I got an onion and a Dr. Pepper. Really super simple ingredients on today's cook. We're outside now on the world's smallest patio. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we're gonna be using one of our favorite cookers, fantastic company, Pit Barrel Cooker. And of course, we're gonna be loading up the basket today with Jealous Devil Max Briquette Charcoal. I love their charcoal, especially the briquettes. They're bigger, stronger, bigger, faster, hotter. I love Jealous Devil, fantastic company. Lighting instructions for your Pit Barrel Cooker. You're gonna follow the exact lighting instructions on their website. As you can see right here, I have my charcoal basket. I filled it with Jealous Devil. I unloaded some of it into a half chimney, and then I'm gonna light that half chimney using a fire cup. I'm gonna put the chimney right over it on the grate. I'm gonna get it lit. I'm gonna get our fire basket. You can see that I dropped in a couple pieces of APPLEWOOD, and our pit barrel is gonna run always, if you follow the directions, our pit barrel is gonna run today at 275 degrees during our entire cook. So while this is warming up and everything's going good out here, we're gonna go back inside. Let's season up the ribs. We're gonna get them on our PBC, and I think this is gonna be, like I said, a super easy, really, really tasty cook. All right, let's go back inside. So like I said earlier, we have about 4.5 pounds of these ribs, and they're pretty big, pretty meaty. There is some bone in them, in some of them. So I'm really excited. And one thing I like about PS Seasonings, not only is their customer service fantastic, their products are fantastic, they have no artificial flavors, colors, gluten-free, made in the USA. I mean, it's just all around a good time. We're gonna put this in here, and this is gonna be kind of our dry rub. I didn't use any binder or anything like that. The only reason why I have these ribs in a pan right now is just to make easier cleanup, so that everything's kind of contained and I can just mix everything around. One more thing that I forgot to mention is I like to let the ribs sit here for about 30 minutes just so that season can really penetrate and sweat in. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, Babe is not here today. It's just me and the little boy, and we're gonna make these delicious ribs. But Babe did want to chime in and say some words about this PS Seasonings giveaway.
Hey guys, like Josh said, I'm not there. I'm up here in beautiful Northern California with my daughters. So we're having a great time and enjoying the beauty and the heat and the sun. So anyways, we are really excited to present you with some great gifts from PS Seasonings. They're such a fantastic company. I can tell you that when we got our goods in the mail, it felt like I was opening a box for Christmas. It came with so much good stuff. The packaging was beautiful, and they are just a fantastic company, and we are really thankful that they want to work with us. So 2 of you lucky winners are really going to get a treat when you get this in the mail. Thank you so much to all of our members. Thank you so much to all of our supporters. We couldn't do this without you, and I look forward to somebody receiving this great package from PS Seasonings. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so the giveaway rules are simple. So shout out PS Seasonings. Thank you so much for sponsoring this and for giving away not only one, but 2 packages to the winners. So 2 winners are gonna be picked. PS Seasonings is going to send you a bunch of good stuff, maybe even a gift card. I don't know. They're gonna make a little box for you for 2 winners. Now, the way that you enter the giveaway is simple. All you have to do is leave a comment below, any comment whatsoever. Tell us what you think about these barbecue ribs and are you excited to try PS Seasonings? Or maybe you have tried PS Seasonings. Let's have a little dialogue in the comments. Later, Babe and I are gonna go YouTube Live in a couple of weeks and we are going to pick 2 random winners from the comments on this video. And we'll let PS Seasonings know your address. You have to live within the United States, and they, from their company, will directly send you a nice little gift box. Now, the caveat is this. There's gonna be 2, bask in the barbecue. There's going to be 2 winners selected, but one of the winners has to be a channel member. Now, if you look below next to the little subscribe button, there's a button that says join. If you have taken the time to support us extra, you are automatically going to, one channel member is going to win one. One person could be a random, one person has to be a channel member. Or maybe the first 2 people that we draw are both going to be channel members and 2 channel members are going to win. I don't know. It's going to be a random comment picker, but we're going to keep drawing until at least 1 channel member is picked on the second draw. Okay? So if you want to up your odds of winning, hit that join button. There's multiple tier levels. Any tier works. Totally acceptable, but 2 people are gonna win. One of them has to be a channel member. Again, thank you PS Seasonings. We've been enjoying all the products and sauces and the mustard and everything that you sent us. It's so good. We are looking forward to going YouTube Live and selecting the 2 awesome winners. All right, back to the cook. All right, let's get these ribs on. So we'll pull this out for a minute. Just get them on right here. We'll lay them flat to get a majority of heat on them. Ring doorbell's going off. Super professional here. There you go. Those are looking absolutely amazing. Okay, so the battle plan is going to be let these get that applewood smoke and the jealous devil until they reach an internal of 165 degrees. Then we're going to put them in a pan and we're going to make our braising liquid. We're using the world's greatest thermometer. We temp these beauties. They're all at about 160, 170, 3 hours in. So we're gonna pull them off. We're gonna make a little braising liquid. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And then we'll get them back on the pit until they reach an internal of about 205. Literally, it's so phenomenally easy. I just cut up these onions. I'm just gonna sprinkle those in there. I don't know why. I just think that it's gonna just give it just an extra zing. And I'm not gonna eat the onions. Well, maybe I will because they're gonna be caramelized and delicious when it's all said and done, okay? So our braising liquid, we got our ribs, we got our onions in here. You saw that, okay? I don't even think I'm gonna add the whole can of Dr. Pepper, but I am gonna add a fair amount because I want that to be the braising liquid, okay? That's like 3/4 of a can, okay? Now we're gonna do the PS Seasonings Cherry Bomb. Oh, this stuff is so good, okay? And I'm gonna reserve some of it later because I'm gonna pull them out and paint them at the very, very end. But I want it to braise in that cherry bomb. So it's really a cherry bomb Dr. Pepper. It's gonna be amazing. So let's do that. And then the notorious P.I.G, we're just gonna give it a little sprinkle. Now let's cover it with foil and get it back on the pit barrel. I think it's gonna be fantastic. Now I always like to do a double foil. So let's do one this way. Get it under there. And then, since we did it that way, I like to do one that way. Let's move our stuff out there. And then I like to do it that way too. I like a double foil. I really want it to braise. I want it to steam. Those ribs are gonna be amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna pull them at like 205 neighborhood. But I want this little baby to be tight. So the ribs were on the pit barrel at 275 degrees for 3 hours. That brought them to an internal of 165 degrees. Now that we're in the braising liquid and they're covered in a double foil, let's see how long it takes. We're gonna keep rolling at 275. I bet it's gonna be another 2-something hours, but we'll check back with you. And here's what's even more fun. PS Seasoning multi-tool for the veggies. A little olive oil, a little butter, and then, oh yes. And we're gonna throw this on the pit barrel as well. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay, it's been 5 hours total, 3 hours uncovered, 2 hours covered, and now the ribs are at 205 internal. I'm gonna let them chill for a minute, and then I'm gonna put them back on the pit barrel, and I'm gonna paint them with the cherry bomb, and I think they're gonna be all done. That's the braising liquid. I put them back on the grill. Wow. There you go, boys and girls. I know the lighting is off, but those are Dr. Pepper PS Seasoning Cherry Bomb Country Style Ribs. Holy moly. The marinade, the everything. Wow! That is so crazy looking. The smell is so good. You guys gotta try this. You gotta try it. PS Seasoning is really killing it. Oh my goodness. I apologize for the shadows. It is so good. Come on. You guys, seriously, you guys gotta enter the giveaway. Obviously, our channel members are gonna have top priority, but my goodness, PS Seasoning hooked it up. This is incredible. On the in-grain cutting board, I'm gonna just cut off a little, they're shredding off the bone. It's silliness. I'm gonna show the folks right now. I'm gonna show the folks. Hold please, hold please. Oh my goodness. No, that's silly. That is silly. Cherry bomb, Dr. Pepper. Little caramelized on. That is amazing. I'll tell you what, from the notorious P.I.G seasoning, little baby bit of heat, but then it comes in with that sweet Dr. Pepper and the cherry bomb. So you got like the sweet cherry bomb Dr. Pepper sexiness. That is, wow. Wow. That is good. That is good. You guys, if you win that giveaway, what is your thoughts about PS Seasoning? Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Good times. There it is. All right. We will see you on the next one. Appreciate y'all.